Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your turbo update for the day for Bitcoin. We will check together what's going on with Bitcoin. Let's go. So Bitcoin is going down a little bit. What's going on? We are under 50,000. The minus about 5.1% in 24 hours and a little plus on 7 days. You can see a little green chart picture with 0.5%. Ethereum is going down 5%, but in the week it's going down more, 2.3%. Binance coin is going down. Solana is going down. I have a really nice video out there for Solana. Please watch it, guys. It's really interesting. And a warning. ADA is a video out there. Nice video. It's a good video for ADA. Please watch it, guys. A forecast for January. XRP is going down. Terra Luna is going down. Polkadot. You can see a lot of coins are going down for the moment. Let's check what is the biggest winner. The biggest winner is IOTA, and I made a really nice video yesterday for IOTA. Please watch it. A January forecast. It is amazing. You have to watch it. 28% in the plus for IOTA. Great. Icon is going up here with 4.8%, and SushiSwap is also going up. IOTA, you have to check the IOTA video, the stocking video, because you can make really nice free coins for IOTA. I have it out there. So the biggest loser 24 hours, Curve, Yearn, and Cadena. And on 7 days, the biggest winner is Sushi. Sushi is now the biggest winner. Near Protocol was it for about 1-2 days. Now it is SushiSwap. Phantom is going up with 60%, and Near Protocol is also going up really nice with 56%. So let's move on. The biggest loser, Yearn, OKP, and XTC. These are the biggest losers. And what can we see? We have still fear in the market. 41 point fear. Yesterday 40 points, last week 27, but we have still fear in the market. You can see it here. Let's check the next thing, and the next thing is the Bitcoin dominance. Big problem. First of all, yes, you can see on the daily, we had a death cross with the Bitcoin dominance. We are going down. The green line is under the red one. And we can also see we lost this big support. It's important support, 40.23%. We lost it. And guys, that's not good for the moment. We are now under the support. The Bitcoin dominance is going down. That means for the altcoins, it's better to trade altcoins for them. The Bitcoin price prediction. And this one is telling us we will go down a little bit more again. You can see a little bump to the upside. After this, a dump to the downside. The prediction is telling us tomorrow we will hit 47.8. We will check this in the analysis. But after this, you can see if the new year 2022 is beginning, we may reach 52,000. Nice. But now let's check what's going on with this one in the price pattern and the candlestick pattern. Let's check this one here, the daily. And guys, I have bad news here for you on the daily. Last day, yesterday, we closed with a doji star, bearish reversal, and now we went down really hard, and you can see it. So if you are watching these candlesticks analysis and these candlestick patterns, and you can see a daily close with a doji star, attention guys, we may go down here a little bit more maybe. Let's check the analysis. What's going on? Bitcoin US dollar analysis or Bitcoin USDT, it doesn't matter. This is the 1 hour time frame, and in my opinion, we are going in this little parallel channel here, a little way to the downside, something like this here. You can see it here. Or sideways. Okay. Now, the big thing is we hit the middle line again, and we are fighting for the moment with 48,700. That's the middle line of this sideways downgoing channel, whatever. But the good news are we are still in a nice parallel channel to the upside. As long as we're in this parallel channel, everything is okay. But we need to hold the support on the downside, guys. We saw the fight with the middle line also, so you can see, guys, yes, Bitcoin is reacting really nice on the middle lines and in these parallel channels. And you can see 47,000, in my opinion, 47,500. This is a really big support, and we can see the prediction is telling us, okay, we may go down to 47,800. After this, up again. And if we are checking this with our analysis, yes, you can see 47,500, big support. We need to hold the parallel channel. And yes, if we are watching the prediction, this would mean, okay, we may stay here in this nice parallel channel. This would be really important here. Okay, let's move on. 47,800. After this, a little pump to the upside, then 47,900, and the next pump to the upside, and so on and so on. This would be great if we could see this here in our next days here, maybe. For all guys, they are in a long position. It's not the baddest thing maybe to stay in this long position. I know it was a little dump to the downside, but it was not too much here. So let's check the next thing, guys. Relative Strength Index has an update. You can see it here. Relative Strength Index updated. I don't like it because the RSI based MA line is not important for me. Please write in the chat if you are using this or if you can tell me how important it is, because I think for me it's not important. More important is the RSI now with this view here. And you can see, interesting, on the 1 hour, we are oversold, first of all. Then we can see, yes, we saw a bad crossing of our nice uptrend channel of the support. We are now, if you're watching the RSI, under the support. That's really, really bad, guys. We need to fight back the support line if you're watching the RSI on the 1 hour. So let's check the next one. Let's check the MACD. And the moving average convergence divergence. This is really important. Let's check it. And here we are. Here is my moving average. So, okay, zoom in a little bit more. What can we see on the 1 hour time frame? We are still bearish, but we may see a cross soon. Blue line is under the brown line. We are building not so dark red candles. The volume is going down a little bit, going back a little bit. Now we are building the first one with the dark red candle. So guys, if we can see across the blue line or the brown line, this would be a bullish sign for the MACD. If we will see, we will go down again more and more, this would be a really bearish sign. 4 hour time frame, you can see it. We have a bearish MACD. Blue line is under the brown line. We are building red candles. And what can we see if you're watching the RSI? Same stuff here. We lost this nice support on the 4 hour time frame, and we are going down again more and more. So this is the daily time frame. We are here bullish, blue line or the brown line, but you can see the volume is going down here, and we have here sell power for the moment. And you can see the big thing now, in my opinion, the one of the biggest things we need to watch is the 1-day RSI. Why? Because we are now on the support line. It is a perfect hit for the moment. If we lose this one also, we may go down here more, maybe 47,500, more maybe 47,800. This is telling us the prediction here. Okay, now let's check the next stuff. Let's check before we end this video, guys, what is the big thing in the future. And I am afraid of this one here. I'm afraid of a shoulder head, shoulder, a mega shoulder head, shoulder, a big one here to the upside, then to the downside, then here the baseline. Maybe we will lose the baseline, yes or no. And you can see the baseline, the trend line is here on 29,000. We need to hold this if this will happen. If not, we will see a big dump to the downside, or we can use this trend line for the future for a next pump to the upside. These are the big things, but I will make a longer video maybe tomorrow or the next days for Bitcoin. This was the update for today, a tuba update, a really, really fast tuba update, so you can see what's going on with Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, please leave me a comment if you like it, ring the bell, and give me an abo if you like it. And guys, I need your support, very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And one thing I forgot, guys, sorry, very big thanks to Crypto Sharknado and to Likehorn for supporting me so much. Guys, I love you. Thanks. Yours, Biti.
System activated.